Hey there, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about a topic which will streamline your sales activities like never before. And the topic is how you can create activities in Pipedrive every month automatically. Yes, guys. So if you have a small business or you are a manager, it is really important to keep the tabs on your activities. So managing business activities is crucial and manually managing activities can be problematic. So here I'm going to show you step by step a process of setting up an automation which is going to create business activities in Pipedrive every month automatically. And Pipedrive is a sales pipeline management tool which can help you in this automation. And we are going to set up it without any coding. So let's begin. To set up this automation workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And you can find the link of this landing page in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now from the given link. After that, sign in and select Pabbly Connect product to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to this workflow and then click on create button. So I have given the name here as create activities in Pipedrive every month. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of our automations. Trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, we want to create activities in Pipedrive every month. So first of all, we want to make this workflow run every month on a specific date. So here I'm going to use schedule by Pabbly feature of Pabbly Connect, by which you can schedule the running of your workflows in future according to your requirements. So here we are selecting scheduler. Okay, schedule by Pabbly, and here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So I want this workflow to run every month at a specific date. So I am selecting dates of the month option. Select dates of the month, then it will select, then it will ask to select the date. So I'm selecting 1. Okay, and now I'm going to select the time on which this workflow is going to run. So I'm selecting the time as 11:30, let's say. Okay, right, and I'm clicking on save, and you can see now this workflow is scheduled to run at every first day of the month at this time. Okay, now guys, what we want to happen when it works, when this triggers, we want to create an activity in Pipedrive. So in this action steps, search for Pipedrive and select it. Then you have to select the action event as create activity. So here is create activity option, click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API token of Pipedrive that you can find it in the personal preferences of your Pipedrive account. So let me show you that. This is my Pipedrive application, and here guys, on the profile icon you can click and find this personal preferences option. Open personal preferences. From here, click on this API tab, and here you can generate a new token or you can use already generated token. You just have to copy this API key and paste it here in this token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Pipedrive. Alright, so we are connected, and here it started asking for the subject of the activity that you want to create. So let me just give the subject as retrospective meeting. Alright, so I have given the subject of the activity. Here you can select your organization's name. If you want to assign this meeting is this activity to anyone, you can select assignees here. Okay, you can select persons involved in this activity from this field. Okay, and here this activity is done, no, select no. Select the type of the activity. This my type is meeting, so I'm selecting meeting. Here it will ask for the due date, due time, duration. So you can just put these things using a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called date time formatter. So let me show you. So to put a due date here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up here. here before this Pipedrive step, okay? And here I'm going to search for date time formatter feature. Then select the action event as current date. So current date feature is action event is going to retrieve the current date. That means the date of the running of the workflow. Okay, that means is going to bring the date the first of every month. Okay, let me show that. Just click on connect button. And here it will ask for the format of the date. So choose this format which we can use here in this due date field, which is here YYMMDD. Okay, so I'm going to select it the same here. I do not want to include time in the response, so I'm selecting it false. And here click on save and send test request button. And now you can see it has given us this date. Because today's date is 16, so it is showing me 16. Okay, but when I'm going to map this date time label here in this due date field, in real time when this workflow is going to execute, that means the first of the next month, the date and the label will be updated automatically. Okay, so to map the date here, you just have to click here, and you can see the previous step is not appearing here right now because we have added this step. After this third step, we have added second step. So you need to create your workflow sequentially. Now guys, you have to refresh this connection with Pipedrive. So click on connected one more time, and from here keep existing connection option selected, and then click on save again, and your connection with Pipedrive will be refreshed like this. Okay, now guys, when you click on any field, the previous steps will appear here in the drop down, and from the second step I am going to map this date time label here in this due date field. Similarly, you can fetch out due time and duration as well, and you can put these things here in this format. If you want to put a note here, let me put a note here as, so I have provided a note here also. Okay, now guys, you can check your connection with your Pipedrive application. Let me open the activities section here. Here are activities. Okay, now let me click on save and send test request button to see if we can add a new activity automatically. So I am clicking here, and this is the response we have received. It is showing success. Let me just show you, and here you can see we got a new activity created here with the same title, retrospective meeting, and you can see the note inside as well. Here you can see the note. Okay, and you can see the due date as well as we have added. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically at every first of every month. Okay, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.